Guess where we are at today? I can't tell you. Okay, fine. I'll show you. That is right, guys. We are at Paragon Performance here in Des Moines, Iowa, right outside of Des Moines, Iowa. Did the first of our newly formed partnership where we're doing all of their C8 installations for them. I'm looking forward to some great things with these guys. They have some awesome stuff that they've been working on, some products. I mean, just these guys, I've heard a lot about them. We had to reach out to them obviously a while back, and a great company to partner with. So I'm looking forward towards a great relationship with Paragon Performance. So let's go in and check them out. Let's go check out the rides. C7, done too many of those. C8, we know I've done too many of those. This is probably the sexiest Z06 C7 I've ever seen. And I've done my fair share of C7s. I've seen my fair share of a lot of C7s, but this for sure, it's the colors, it's just nice. This must be the fun room. Take a look at some of these cars back here. It's just a tiny wing. Yeah, so there's a lot of stuff going on down here. Beautiful cars. Like I said, man, I've heard a lot of great things about Paragon, and I'm more than excited to start a partnership with Eikon and Paragon for sure.
So the main focus, the main reason why we're here is for the C8 Corvette. So we have two of them. We have kind of the, as I call it, the redheaded stepchild, and then the finalized product. So the gray one is the R&D vehicle. That's going to be how we 3D print. That's going to be how we 3D scan. That's going to be the vehicle in which we started with, tore everything apart and started making parts for it. Test fitting parts, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't work. And then once the finalized product is out, it goes on this white vehicle for track testing. Pretty much every single product that we have is track tested. As a matter of fact, every single thing is more for cosmetic bolt-on and then for photos and everything. This is the final pride and joy. This is what everybody wants to see. So starting on the front end, we're going to go with the Paragon carbon fiber one-piece splitter. This is going to be a one-piece replica of the GM Z51 ring, or the splitter, excuse me. Rather than the black plastic rivety three-piece, this is a one-piece carbon fiber. The most popular item are the radiator grill guards. That is the only OEM style grill guard bolt-in on the market. Everybody else uses zip ties. They're cheap, they're crap. Why buy a $80,000+ car to zip tie stuff on? We have the Veris dual canards up front. That's going to be more, not necessarily just a cosmetic bolt-on, but also for an aero kit that's going to be coming. We worked with Veris Engineering, so we're going to have, it's probably going to be on the gray car, a front splitter, the canards, the side rockers, a wing, diffuser, all of that. So that's going to be a very track-oriented car. For this, we have some of our stuff, some of their stuff, just while we're waiting on other products. So the yellow one is a family friend. This is actually just here for some dyno work. We're going to start doing some tuning on a C7 Z06. We have a Grand Sport that we're working on doing an exhaust on, but we're going to start playing around with some tuning on the C7 platform. Did some tail lights. It's got new tail lights that are exclusive to us right now, and just kind of tinkering around here and there. So this is how it all starts. Is this car, we had to go out and pay the top premium everybody's doing to get this car to literally drill holes in all the panels to take it off, and it's been sitting like this ever since. So, but we had to start somewhere. Nobody else is doing it.
Yeah, yeah. It's like, it reminds me of like how they make video games. The people have to put those suits on.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's
this
kind of
is
the same
exactly
thing.
it.
Yeah.
The Incredible Hulk. It's this.
Yeah.
So this has got some pre-production parts on it right now. This is the front lip is part of the Varus aero kit that's going to be coming. The rear spoiler, that was a huge excitement from us. It's very large. That's going to have crazy downforce for the track guys.
Yeah.
It's going to be wild. So we are very excited to get this thing on the track.
You guys wanted to chase the car with your drone. You still want to do that?
You have time?
Yeah.
You're the only one doing it.
You want to race? Drone versus drone?
Ours is
All right, I'm with Rob here from Paragon. He was actually filming me when I was doing this install on the C8 here. So what do you think?
It was a lengthy process, but it looks like it's worth it. Definitely worth it.
Yeah.
It's a very cool add-on, and I'm sure we'll see a lot more installs very soon.
I think so. Is this your first time you've seen them in person, like the doors?
Yeah.
Yes. Is it?
Yeah. I didn't think I was gonna like it at first because they kind of have, you know, the reputation of Lamborghini doors and everything like that. It's kind of cheesy, but actually seeing it on the car and seeing, you know, how high quality you do the job.
Thank you.
I think if I ever got a Corvette in the future, I would definitely be getting some Lambo doors.
Well, especially the C8. I mean, it just looks like it needs
it already looks like an exotic car, and this
Yeah.
just adds that, you know, that next,
Yeah, it definitely does.
step. But it's gorgeous. Here at Paragon, I am on the media team, so I do like the shorter version videos that you'll see on social media, so like 30 to 45-second videos on Facebook and Twitter and all that good stuff, as well as manage the TikTok account.
We're relatively new to TikTok as well, so.
It's a
But
great marketing tool.
Yeah, it is. It really
reaches
is.
a lot of people, and if you're not using it, then it's
just waste.
wasted.
Yep.
Exactly. You're missing out on potential customers.
Absolutely. It breaks my heart to have to say this, but I just discovered that while editing this video that there's a lot of clips that just didn't make it to the folder, and I don't know, it was obviously a camera issue, so I do apologize for that. I'm gonna go ahead and post some photos now and show you different angles, different views of the finished product, but I want to say, Paragon, it was a pleasure meeting you guys. I look so forward to our business relationship. I know that when I had left, you had already called and you already had someone that wants doors put on the car, so I will get back to that as soon as I possibly can, for sure. But until then, guys, please like and subscribe, share the video. Also, put in the comments below what vehicle you'd like to see next. I know we post a lot of C8s on our channel. We're relatively new to YouTube, so we're just kind of stuck right now in the next few months of installations that are already booked and on the schedule. So it is a buttload of C8s. So there's a lot of C8s. Obviously, we don't make videos for every single one that we do, but if there's a specific vehicle that you would like to see the doors put on the cars, please in the comments put down below. Also, we are now at that stage where we are going to start doing our giveaways. So what you have to do to qualify for a giveaway is just go ahead and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that's it.
Every month we're gonna do drawings to do a giveaway of either $1,000 cash and or a set of doors and an installation done by us, ourselves, done by Eikon Motorsports. So if you want to take part in that, please click the subscribe button below and stay tuned.